Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to study about electric torch. So what is electric torch? Okay. So electric torch is a simple circuit which consists of a bulb. Okay. Here is a bulb and it consists of electric cells. Can you see these two cells? And a switch. And this is the switch, slide switch. Okay. Now what is electric torch? Let us again recapitulate. It is a simple circuit which consists of a bulb and it consists of cells and switch. Fine. Now, when you slide a switch, when you are going to slide it, then what happens? This switch on sliding would complete the circuit. If we are going to drag it in the front part, we are going to slide it in front, then these two metal plates, they will come in contact with each other and the circuit will be closed and the current is going to flow. We are going to learn how here in detail the current flows. Then when you slide it back, when it is this switch is slide backwards, then what will happen? It is going to open the circuit. Fine, break the circuit, and as a result the current flowing through the circuit will be stopped. So let us see what all other things are there. Okay, now another thing that is here is a reflector. As you can see, this part is called reflector. Now this reflector is just like a mirror. So when the bulb glows, the light is being reflected by this reflector and illuminates the conditions when it is dark. Okay, just make the light in more concentration. Fine. Now let us see how it happens, the working of the, as you can see, and you might have seen in real also, the torches, they are made up of, they are in metal case, sorry, plastic case. This case, as you can see, this blue color part, it is a case in which whole of the system or the circuit is being set up. Fine. Now this plastic case is knowingly made like this because of insulation. Okay, it has insulation properties. It does not allow the heat which is being produced in the cells or the electric current to leak out. Fine. Now below this, as you can see, this yellow color, these are the wires or these are the metallic plates which are completing the circuit. As you can see, this is connected to the part of the bulb and this part is connected to a spring. If you have ever observed a torch, on the bottom of this side where the cells are being placed, you will find out that there are some metallic spring, coiled helical structure. We call this metal spring. Okay. Now what is the purpose of this? When we put cells inside, as you can see, this is one cell, positive terminal, negative terminal, then positive terminal and negative terminal. So opposite terminals are in contact with each other. If you remember the symbols, one bigger line, small line. Fine. Now same is here. Bigger line was symbolizing positive terminal and smaller line was symbolizing negative terminal. So negative and positive terminal, they would come in contact with each other. Then and only then the current is going to flow. Okay. Now this part is connected to the metallic part here, that is bulb, and this part is connected to the coiled or spring-like structure. Fine. Now what happens when this slide switch is slided in front? These two parts would come in contact with each other. As a result, the circuit will be complete like this. Okay, and the current would flow and the bulb would glow. Fine. In front of this, there is a glass, transparent glass, which allows the light to come outside. Fine. Now when the switch is slided backwards, then there would be gap between these two metallic plates, and what will happen? The torch would not glow. Why? Because the current is not flowing, because the circuit is broken now. So this is how the working of the torch takes place. So as you can see, this is a part taken from your book only. So when you slide a switch to its on position, it is written also on the case of this, that when you slide on and off would be written here like this, in front on and at back off. So it will give you an indication that you have, for making the circuit or glowing the torch, you have to slide it forward, and if you want to turn it off, then you have to slide it backwards. So when the switch slides to off position, circuit breaks and the bulb stops glowing. Fine. And torch contains a small curved mirror called this one, reflector, placed behind the bulb. It reflects and focuses the light. Fine. You might have seen this reflector in the headlights of the vehicles. Is it or not? So, and this is a schematic representation or diagrammatic representation of a torch. So I hope the things are clear. Let us see what are the components of the torch. The components are bulb, then a plastic case, two cells. Now these two cells, when they are connected, what we can say? They are battery. Fine? Battery. Then there is a glass case, transparent, which allows the light to travel outside and make the dark places illuminated. This is reflector, a very shiny part of the torch. Fine. This is slide switch, which helps in sliding and making the circuit complete or breaking the circuit. Fine. So this is about torch. So I hope everyone has understood what is torch and how it appears and how it functions. Okay. So everyone is required to draw this diagram in the notebook. Okay, a well labeled diagram with a sharp pencil. Fine. And label it properly. Fine. So for queries you can contact me again. Thank you.